I want to congratulate the great people of Katsina for making the right choice, picking Dr. Diko Marada as the governor. You are seeing the result. We work together. We collaborate for the good of this country. We decided that the people must be at the center of our program. We decided for peace, stability. I know you face the challenge of terrorism and banditry. But with strong determination and great effort that you have committed into the programs of rebuilding Katsina State, you will not walk alone. The federal government will be with you. It is very difficult to change a course, particularly in the economic rejuvenation of a nation. The economy at a difficult moment is sailing in the right trajectory. Today, what we are commissioning is effort to banish hunger. Commitment to food sovereignty. Great empowerment for our people. Small and large-scale farmers. Once we liberate ourselves from hunger, we will appreciate peace and progress. The remarkable progress you are making in this state will continue to be rewarded and appreciated. Your achievement, the commitment to infrastructural development, to agriculture, skill for low-income people. This agro-investment, yes, you made the remark that has developed the skill of our people. They've been included in the assembly, and they will participate in the harvest. I want to assure the Nigerian public that agriculture in the heart of our program is a must for us. I could see many of the governors here present, dedicated and committed to food sovereignty. We, at the federal level, we are committed to all of this, and I'm glad that Honorable Minister for Agriculture is here present. We are investing in mechanization. We face the challenge of irrigation and water management. The old style of agriculture is gone. The Bank of Agriculture is currently down. It's being refertilized. Definitely, we will recapitalize the bank and make small funding, large medium-scale funding available to our agricultural enterprises and all those who are interested in working to ensure food sovereignty. Katsina, you've introduced a great program and you work on it. Not just tilling the land, but using the land as a source of prosperity and growth. Boosting food security and sovereignty. Once Nigeria is able to diversify its economy from oil reliance to agrarian opportunity, it will bring prosperity. I assure you we'll be together. I commend you for the mechanization center that we are commissioning today.